So we're here on this job today. The customers called us up to say that the waste is leaking. So we're going to whip it out.
Yummy.
So we've whipped the old one out, as you can see, nice and lovely inside as usual. So we've got the old one out now. It was a bit of a pig to do, but we managed it in the end, as there was no movement in the pedestal at all. So we've got this new Flowmaster lever basin waste. I'm going to swap it over, just like so, with a new trap.
Squeak, squeak.
We've got the old one out and the new one in. Just got to line up the new waste. And there she pops.
Ooh, she's in.
All in place. Get it tightened up. Happy days. Fill it up, give it a good test, and hopefully the water don't leak all over the floor. Job's a good one. Tap into Plumbers for all your plumbing and heating services.
Monster in there. All done.
All done, good, job done, happy days. On to the next one.